Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Xtrillions, another episode of Pain. This is Leo the Generale speaking, and today, the 9th of October 2020, we are going to go through this trade we took on GBPJPY. Our anticipation is a stop hunt high and drop. As you can see, I draw it down, anticipation, and it's just beautiful how market makers during the stop hunt, they formed big vector candles going up, and that was our paint drawing of the anticipated move. So during the stop hunt, I was saying that the market makers, they formed big green candles. In my case, they are blue. However, they are big green candles. They're inducing the retail traders to take a position long. What is big green candles doing? So you need to always go in deeper than just the big green candles. These candles are causing FOMO emotions at the start of the day of the retail traders. So the retail traders are pressing the bottom, they're triggering the contracts also by going up to the HOD. So they went up to the yesterday high. Some of us took our entry right there, early entry, and it was based on what the market maker behavior was, and it is key to see how squeezed the bands were. Yesterday, Lash spoke about the band squeeze, and today I'm going to show you again the squeeze of the bands. Look how squeezed they are. So that is telling us that the market makers during the Asian session, they collected the right type of contracts to make the right type of move. And I want you right now to pay close attention to this candlestick. Look how this candlestick goes up to that blue line I drew, and then it just flushed down. Look how it just flushed down. That is pain, guys. That is straight pain. Just imagine anyone who bought, imagine anyone who bought that pair early in the morning. Right now is put right into instant drawdown, and it is key that you always wait for the market maker to make the first move, and then you identify a pattern that has played out in the past. Some of us right now, we sold on strength because we don't hold and hope. We always sell on strength, because just like the retail traders that bought this early in the morning, they saw some profit, however they got greedy, and now they left with no profit, or even worse, they've got put into drawdown because they moved the stop loss, and they did the stupid mistakes that the retail traders tend to make. Something that I want you to understand is that you always need to go in deeper than what it actually is. So here they went up to the HOD, so the yesterday high. It's not just they went up to the yesterday. You always need to think why they went up to the yesterday high. What did this move do? So this move, it triggered all the contracts, it triggered the pending orders, and it left everyone who placed their contracts up there, they got triggered, and then instantaneously they got put into drawdown. So instantaneously they went through pain. Understand that market makers, their job is to create panic, greed, and fear in the market. That is their job. And just want you to enjoy the chart right now. I just want you to see the beauty that is inside the chart. This morning we had a perfect EMA placement. We love to trade towards the EMAs, because we know the retail traders, they trade against the EMAs. So we trade towards them. We trade against the retail traders, and we trade always in line with the market makers. We had the EM, we call this EMA placement 1, 2, 3. So it's where we have the 50, the 200, and then below we have the G spot. And in this case, we took our profit at the 200 EMA, and we left some greedy bastard positions going down to the 800. However, it didn't quite reach the 800, so we didn't do anything. We just closed down our positions. That is our profit screenshot. We made an absolutely killing today. However, what is important, the most important thing is that we trade correctly. It's not about the money. It's not about trading every day. It's about picking the best trades to make money on. And today was a beautiful example, just like yesterday and the day before, that we banked money on at Xtrillions. And this is all thanks to preparation. Remember that 90% of traders to 95% of traders are losing money in this business. Why? Due to lack of preparation. They don't take this business serious enough. Trading is just like any other job. It's actually harder. It's especially hard at the start. However, as time goes on, it gets easier. It's a bit like learning a new language, and trust me, you need to allow yourself to make mistakes. Always allow yourself to make room for mistakes. And once you make a mistake, make sure you learn from it and then move on to the next trade. Always remember to take it one trade at a time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. You need to learn this craft so you can provide for yourself and your family in the future. So guys, that will be all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this new Xtrillions Paint episode. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you liked it, and comment down in the comment section. I will prepare, so I know you've been to the end of the video. So that will be it for today. This is Leo the Generale. Trade with precision.